Hello everyone, this is Daniel Olvera from shoppingcartsforwebsites.com, and today we're going to talk about BigCommerce and how to create on your category column, how to create headers and subheadings. So basically we're going to break it down, for example, into a main category called lighting, and we're going to have its subcategories with its flyout menus, and then we're going to have a second category, in this case called gardening supplies, with its own set of subcategories and its flyout menus. Okay, so after giving it some thought, we finally found a solution. It's not built into the software itself, but we're going to show you how to achieve this. So this is how we start. Basically, this is how you have your category list. It's just one block of all your categories. We're going to break it down. So go ahead and log into your BigCommerce control panel, okay, and go to product categories, and I want you to create a new category. Okay, we're gonna start by creating the second subheading, and we're gonna skip lighting, and I'll tell you why in just a second. But let's go ahead and create that. So it's gonna be gardening supplies. Don't worry about the URL or the description. Just go ahead and save and exit. And now I want you to drop it into the right place. So wherever you want to break it down. So in this case, it's going to be right above nutrients. Okay. So now we go to our store and refresh. You're going to see gardening supplies right here. Okay. Now I want you to go back to your control panel, and I want you to go to design mode. I want you to go to design and then browse template files. Okay, we're in the design mode window, and I want you to go find a panel which is called side category list. Okay, side category list.html. Click on that, and for this example, we created using Photoshop two buttons. One of them is lighting, and the other one is gardening supplies. We went ahead and saved them to our computer. Here you have gardening supplies.png and lighting.png. Okay, I want you to take those files that you create for your headings, and you're going to upload them via FTP to your BigCommerce server. Okay, so we already did. Here's category lighting.png and category gardening.png. Those are these images, which we're going to be using to create the headings. Okay, back to your design mode. Here I want you to first we're going to remove the heading, which is the H2 tag. Okay, and we're going to create two divs. So go ahead and create the first one, and we're going to add an image here. Pretty simple. Image source equals, okay, and here you're going to type the source, use the URL to your heading image. I recommend you use the global underscore shop path / in this case our directory is template images1 cat lighting.png. Alright, if we have the right path here, which I'm actually missing this, go ahead and save it and refresh your website. Okay, and there we have our first heading, lighting, and then we start with ballasts. Okay, now we have gardening supplies right here. What we're going to do is actually add the PNG image on top of this text. All right. And I'm going to show you how to do that. That's why we created this heading right here, so that we have this space in between lighting components and nutrients and supplements. So this is saving our space right here. Okay, back to design mode. We're going to open another div. Okay, and again, image source. Okay, we're going to use again our global underscore shop path /template /images1 / cat, how do we call it, gardening .png. Okay, we're going to save that. I'm going to show you what we just did. Alright, we just added it right below it. Now that's not where we want it, so now we're going to style it. Here under the div, I'm going to use CSS and style inline, and I'm going to use position absolute, margin top, and I believe it's 260 px. In this case you may use something different, and yeah, let's try that. I'm going to show you what's going to do. Refresh. Alright, so we're right on top of gardening supplies, right on top of nutrients and supplements, so it's in the right place. But as you can see, the image is in the background. For that, we're going to call something called z-index, and we're going to use 999. Okay, save it. What that's going to do is that it's going to bring it to the front. And there you are. Now we have lighting, one set of categories or subcategories, and then gardening supplies, and another set of subcategories with the flyout menus. So there you go. That's how you do it. It's pretty simple. Now you can go ahead and use the same approach to create a third one or a fourth header, and continue breaking down your category column into top categories. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us through the blog, comment on this post, +1 if you like, share it, whatever you want to do. We'll be glad to hear from you, and thank you for watching.